So if you're not sure how to use a Canva template, this video is going to show you exactly how. So on your dashboard under resources and tabs, you will find this page over here. So if you click on it, you're going to have all the resources for this course. And this is where you find the steps of how to use a Canva template. And I'm also going to demonstrate you as well in a video. So I'm going to try and use this brand foundation guide template. Okay, so I just click the button. This is the relevant button. And then the first thing that you need to make sure is that you are actually logged in to your Canva account. So if I try to use this template, it's going to ask me to log in. Okay, so let's just do that. Log in, and I am going to log in with my Google account. And I'm going to try this one. This is a free account, so let's see how that will work. So now that you are logged into it, once you click on it, you are now able to fill it in and just optimize it as you wish. So you literally, this is how it's going to look like, and then you just click on the relevant text and you just replace it. So say you want to say Sylvia Creative, right? That's my brand name. And then, replace your name and all that kind of stuff. Go through here. Okay, we've done the Myers-Briggs test, so just enter here all your strengths, right? So this is example. You just have to select the text because this is just the text, and then you fill in your own text. Okay, and it's the same for everything else. So when it says enter your text here, just double click and then start typing. Okay, and I am going to show you later how you can brand this whole thing for you with colors and fonts and all that kind of stuff. So I hope this helps.